तारवाट्यांक वासीन दिवपा खातीर गोंय सरकारान प्राधान्य दिवचें. जहाजाचेर कामाक वतलो जाल्यार तांकां कोवीड वासीन सक्तीचें केल्ल्यान तारवाट्यांच्या नोकरेचेर परिणाम जावपाची भिरांत आसा. देखून तारवाट्यांक बेगीनाच वासीन घेवपा खातीर प्राधान्य दिवचें अशी मागणी मरीटायम युनियन ऑफ इंडिया संघटनेन केल्या. मागणी करपी निवेदनूय मुखेलमंत्र्याक दिलां.
जो सर्क्युलर काढलो हा आणि ह्या सर्क्युलराचे क्लियर दिलो हा की ऑल द सी फेरर्स शूड बी वॅक्सिनेटेड आणि MPT सेपरेट वॅक्सिनेशन करपाक जाय म्हणून. आम्ही हेच्या पयलीं एक व्हिडिओ काढून सोशल मिडियांतल्यान एक बायट दिल्ली की एक कॉरिडोर ओपन करचो म्हणून, सी फेरर कोविन कॉरिडोर. हेजे फाटल्यान गव्हर्मेंटान कांयच करूंक ना. तेच्या फाटल्यान काल ईमेल धाडलो आमी की आमी हांगा येतले म्हणून आणि दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू सबमीट. But now I think as per the new protocol we are not allowed to submit here, so we will be going to secretariat, that is Porvorim, and thing also nami submit kartale. But the main issue is the demand is that to include all seafarers, all Goan seafarers as frontline workers in the Goa state workers list and immediately prioritize vaccination for Goan seafarers. Ye aaj gorje jaun ha in order to fulfill the demands of the industry. All Goan seafarers आज एक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोस गेलो आतो, फर्स्ट वॅक्सिनेशन दिलो आतो घेऊन आता सेकंड वॅक्सिनेशनार रावता अँड दे आर नॉट गेटिंग अ जॉब. अँड सेकंडरी अनदर सिच्युएशन इज दॅट देर इज नो वॅक्सीन फॉर 18 to 44, 18 to 45 एज. सो हे सगळे जे तारवटी आहा आज बोटीर वचनाचो आहा आणि द सीफेरर्स हू आर ऑन द शिप हॅव टू बी रिलीव्ड. सो वॉट ओनर्स आर नाव डुईंग इज ओनर्स आर ट्रायंग टू टेक other nationalities, Bangladeshi जाऊं, Chinese जाऊं, enke घेता. And so what is going to happen is this jobless seafarers who are here now waiting will remain here for a longer time, and the industry will start again decreasing. The demand for Indian seafarers will start falling down because they will get replaced. So when the DG Shipping has come out with clear instructions, it is seen that our state government is not taking any initiative.
For seafarers, MPT is designated for vaccination for Goan seafarers, but unfortunately MPT has got no vaccines to offer for seafarers. Also in the DG website, the circular also states that the company has to register a seafarer. Suppose I want to join tomorrow, the company has to register my name saying that this guy will be joining after 30 to 60 days. So on that basis, that first shot should be given. Now first shot and the second duration is 3 months. So just imagine for last 1.5 years, whatever pandemic, people are still here. Now if people have not even got the first shot, when will they join? So if all countries are doing so much for the seafarers, why is our government not doing anything? So as of now, the situation is very bad. Indians are losing their jobs on big scale. Now only way you can join a ship is to get vaccinated. So first dose comes today. We still have to wait for next 3 months to get the second dose. So just imagine how long a seafarer will have to wait. And now with this 18 to 44, where they are not even getting appointments, how do we get our jobs? How do we feed our families? So our request is, like how he has mentioned, that Kerala government has already made seafarers priority. At least give some sort of vaccine to MPT. Then the companies will register as per the DG circular, and then they will say that okay, this guy needs to join and he needs to get an appointment. So it's not fake or something anybody can come and take. At least it is going through a proper procedure. But if you don't have vaccines only allotted to the seafarers, where will it be?